Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can be able to back up your entire device to your Google account. Alright, as I told in the other video that every day, anytime you create a Google account, you've been given 15 gigabytes cloud free storage. Okay, so let me show you how you can back up your entire device. Alright, so go ahead and open your settings and look for backup. You can easily search it using the search bar, then type backup. Then when you type backup, the options will come out, then you select backup. That's if you can't find backup on your device. Okay, so this is the easiest way to find it. This is backup here. Click on it and back your device up, but let me just follow the main road and show you how to back it up. Alright, scroll down and click on your system, then you see backup here, the third option. Click on backup. As you can see, my backup is on. Alright, and before you back up anything, maybe you have 2 or 3 Google accounts on your device, so before you back it up, you check here, check the particular Google account that you're backing up to. Alright, for instance, I have Google account, so if you click up there, you select the particular Google account you want to back up the device to. Alright, so but me, I'm backing up on my own email already. So as you can see here, see what is backing up. You are backing up both your applications, both your videos and photos, both your SMS, that's your messages, both your call histories, both your device settings, okay, and your contacts and calendars. This calendar is any change you make in your calendar, like you set reminder on your calendar, so date is your birthday, all those things will be saved. Alright, so that's the essence of backing your device, or both your entire device, put everything that is inside, both your applications and everything. As you can see them here, everything are going to back up. But before you back it up, you have to check this thing as well, this particular option here. So if it is deactivated, that means that you can't back up using your mobile data. Okay, so if it's deactivated, you can back up using your mobile data. So make sure you activate it first before backing anything up on your Google account. Okay, so as you can see here, you can see this option here, your device backs up automatically after being idle and charging for 2 hours. So if I should leave my data on and leave my backup on, as you can see here, I left my own on, I on it. So if you should leave it on and leave your data activated for complete 2 hours and your phone is charging, it will back up automatically. Okay, so this is the only and easiest way to back up your entire device. Alright, as I showed you in the other video on how to back your photos up, this is the video. If you've not watched it, go ahead and check the video out. It's very useful, guys, how to back your videos up and know the particular photos or videos that you are backing up. Alright, so before you back everything up, if you don't want to do it automatically, leaving it for 2 hours, waiting for it to back up automatically, of which at times it might not. So when someone calls you, then you wait for another 2 hours before it start backing up. But to avoid all those stress and everything, just click on this backup here. Okay, click on backup now and select okay. I don't have my own mobile data on, so if I should on it and click on backup, everything will be backed up automatically. As you can see here, this is the last time I backed my device up. This is the last time I backed it up, August 18th of August this year. Alright, so guys, this is the only and easiest way to back your device up. So if you find this video useful, endeavor to hit the subscribe button. Please just hit the subscribe button, like and share this video as well.